starting to put everything together. Before he does, he tries to clean all the pieces of equipment to make sure that some of the rust and debris has been scraped off, because it makes for an easier assembly when you're working with parts that are as clean as possible.
Right, so we already cleaned the mating surface area right here for the bearing. Now when you put this one in here, just as you took it out, it's going to be kind of hard because this thing is going to be pressed against the bearing. So you don't want to be hard with it. You just want to put it in there. And of course we put the marks. We put some marks in here. Right there we got a mark. And right here I have a mark on this side. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it right here. And I'm going to make sure my mark aligns in there. Okay. Now when it gets in here, it might spin on you while you're trying to put it, but that's fine. Just try to beat it as close as you can, and once you're going to put it the final assembly, then just try to turn it a little bit so it will be with the marks will be made. That way you won't have a misalignment when you're trying to put your screws all the way on the bottom. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to flip it upside down. Or upside up, whatever. And use your rubber mallet. And what you can do on this one, you use a socket. Give me the other sockets, David. 1/2 inch. The long ones. Of course, spray some. It's gonna help to lube that shaft so it goes easier down. And this one is just gonna help it just to drive it a little bit. Now again, keep your marks. As you guys can hear, it kind of went in there, but I'm not like slamming it hard. I'm going easy on it. Okay. I'm letting the weight of the hammer, of the mallet, do the job.
Looks good.
Let's see.
There you go.
You see, even if it's a little bit out of line,
Tap it.
you can just tap it and make it perfect right there. Bring me the other side. I think the other side has a bigger one. And look at that, guys. Even right now that it's not all the way, you can just turn it and it makes absolutely no noise.
No noise whatsoever.
No, the other 1/2 inch long one.
Quiet as a church mouse.
Yeah, church mouse. There it is. Completely sealed. That's fine, David. There it is, completely sealed. All the way around. Now I'm gonna try to align this metal ring that is underneath. For that, I'm gonna have to flip it over, bring the ring over here, and try to put the screws in here while this thing is upside down. Have your best buddy help you, and then try to align it in there. And then once you tie that one, the housing, the front housing and the bearing will be pressed together like so, and it won't let it come out.
So what you probably want is just flip the thing upside down. One guy will hold it up, and then you'll kind of...
And just try to align it and try to move it around so you can just get it in place. It might take some wiggling around and everything. You might want to put a screwdriver to the bend and try to get it to align, and then you can actually place it in there. We put another video once we have the screws in here set up, and we have these things in there without even tightening. Just make sure they're in there so you guys can see what it should look like.
Sounds good. See you.
Thanks.